What are you doing? We're gonna be starting off by working with the Then and Now palette. I have my face done and I have primed my eyes, but I might go in with a little bit more primer. I've been living for the Fenty Beauty. This is the Pro Filt'r eyeshadow primer. I just love this little dot at the end. It's so cute. So I'm gonna pop a bit on there. Yes, boy, we know you're here. So this palette is literally so gorgeous and it really makes me want to do something pink and girly and fun, but I feel like that's what everybody is going to do. And I haven't really thought about what I want to do necessarily, but like this color Gigi is like, this is my life right here. This is me as an eyeshadow. That's me. I almost want to create a look with the originals and then a look with the reinvented. Well, I don't know. This is Twinkle, Pixie Dust, Dirtbag, Rizzo, Zaza, Temper Temper, Trixie, Villain, Ice Queen, and Oh and Ah, Glitter Donut, Lost Boys, NSFW, Gretchen, Reality Star, I Can't Even, Gigi, Shady Bitch, Chill Out, and Ooh La La. First things first, I know this much. We are going to take Gigi and I am using just a giant fluffy Inglot brush and we're gonna put that all into our crease. And whatever we do, I know I'm gonna use this. I know I am. Oh God, it's so pretty. Oh, there's kind of a bit of fallout there. Oh, it's much darker than I anticipated it to be on my eyeball as well. Oh, I'm just gonna fling this out a bit on my outer eyes here too. Now that I have Gigi on, I'm kind of like gravitating towards these glitter shades here. Maybe I should do like some sort of like glitter purpley eye. Is that what I should do? I know this much. I'm going to take I Can't Even and I think we're just gonna build up like a smoke. Wow, okay, that's so pigmented. Okay, I was not expecting that. Okay. Oh my God. Wow, Too Faced, you actually like, this is like so pigmented. Like watch this. This is like a little swipe and it's like crazy. I think we're gonna do this. I'm just gonna blend this out. There we go, that's buffed out. I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer. Oh, we're just gonna do a halo eye of sorts, I suppose, today, I guess. This is my halo eye special brush right here. This is a Furless Cosmetics brush. They sent me some brushes like years ago. It's like a year and a half ago. I really, really like the brushes. So I'm going to mark out a little spot here. I've brought that pretty far over. And then I'm just gonna pop some of that I Can't Even right back on there. And guys, you know what we're gonna do? So excited. I'm gonna work with these two glitters right here. So Shady Bitch and then Chill Out. I just want to swatch these really quick. On my hand, I think we're gonna do blue fading into purple. So I'm gonna take some blue and pop it on the outskirts of this. Oh yes. And I'm not using glitter primer just to lay down this base. I might later, but depending, we'll see. Kind of just buff that inwards. That was Chill Out. Now we're gonna take Shady Bitch, and this is gonna go in the center. And now I'm just gonna go back in with Chill Out and blend and blend and blend and blend so it looks like a nice little loop-de-loop. We're gonna be going in with the NYX Lip of the Day in Cherished. I just want this to be a bit pink, not so blue. And then over top of that, we're gonna be going in with NYX in Crystal Gunmetal. Whoa, there's actually a lot of fallout, but it seems to be pretty easy to wipe away considering I didn't even place any powder down. For my under eyes for this look, I'm not going to complicate it. I'm just going to take I Can't Even and I'm going to pretty much replicate the exact same thing as I did on the top on the bottom. For my waterline, I found this NYX retractable liner in Jewel, which I'm going to pop in there. I've got a pretty good base for what I'm kind of trying to go for here. I am just going to pop on some mascara and lashes now, just because I feel like if I need anything, I'll know after. All right, I am happy with the eyes, a little purple halo eye for you. Now I want to get into the lipsticks because this is what I'm really excited for. So originally they had launched 8 lipsticks like way back 20 years ago, and now they have 10. So I'm gonna swatch all 10 of them for you. They have a creamy formula and they are all like glitter and like sparkle. So I'm really excited to try these. Oh, and they all smell like birthday cake, which is pretty cool. And the packaging on these lipsticks is so cute. They're all glitter. It's just like a dream come true. I'm just gonna go in a random order. So here we're gonna start off with Bionic, and we have the 2 little Too Faced labels on there. Oh my god, I'm so excited. There we have Bionic. This is an aqua base with like a shifting like purpley pinky glitter in it. This would be fun. Like Halloween's coming up, guys, so get in with Bionic. This would look amazing on top of like a black lipstick as well. Ooh. Here we have Fuji. Ooh. Keep in mind, I'm not trying to perfect the lines of my lips or anything. I'm just trying to swatch these for you guys. So that is Fuji, and this is a pewter, an iridescent pewter with another shifting glitter. And the glitter is like, it's kind of like copper pink. That's kind of what it like transitions between. What do you think? Do you like Fuji? Ooh. Next up here, we have Hot Flash. There's Hot Flash. This is like a plum merlot. This one I feel like had a little bit more pigment than the other ones. Like this was like a really like cream lipstick, and then it has like a little bit of that like pink fleck glitter in it. What do you guys think? I don't really feel the glitter either. Like it's so fine. Like you don't feel it. Nice. I'm really interested to see how this one applies. This one is called Miss Thing, and it is this like, we just have to put it on. I don't know. Oh my god, that's so pretty. I thought it was gonna be like a little bit more like rose goldy, but it's like a pink champagne, not pink, I mean peach champagne. I think this one's gonna be really popular because it's kind of, you can wear this like every day kind of thing, but it's still that like fun glitter. Ooh, that is so pretty. Miss Thang. Ooh. Next we have Pixie Stick, which I am so excited for this. Look at that color. Oh Lord. My god, that is so fun. I love this lipstick. That's so fun. This is kind of how I like wanted the interior of my I just like pop some on there maybe. Anyway, this is like a nice like violet purple, again with a little bit of glitter in there. The glitter is a pink glitter and it's super fine. You don't really feel the glitter. That's what I think, like these are going to be super wearable and so fun. Like hello. Next up is a shade called That Girl, and this is more, again, like more the neutrally ones. This is like a nice bronze. Let's see. Ooh, that is so fun. What is this one called again? That Girl. Yeah, it's a nice bronze. The packaging is not what it is, so just be aware of that. Like I thought it was going to be way more brown, but this is more of like a almost like a reddy bronze with a nice gold pinkish fleck in there, like a rose gold almost. I like this one too. This is going to be nice for, you can wear this like every day. Ooh, That Girl. Okay. Next up, this name is actually hilarious. It's called Trampula, and that's like really funny. Right now I'm seeing like a shift between blue and purple. It kind of looks like what I got going on my eyes, so. Oh, that is so pretty. It's literally like what I said. It's like a iridescent blue purple with another sparkle in there. It's so pretty. This is like my eye. This is my look. Ooh. Ooh. This guy is called TF20, so Too Faced 20. So this is the 20th anniversary lipstick color, and like this is like pink. Holy crap, that is electric pink if I've ever seen electric pink. This applied so beautifully. Electric pink with another like shifting pink glitter in it. That is so pretty. Here we have the first red, and this one is Too Hot. That is like not what I was expecting. I was expecting it to be a little bit more, I don't know what I was expecting. Not this though. This is a really pretty color and like totally wearable for every day. I don't know, I was not expecting that. And lastly, we have the shade Marcia, which I have no idea what that means. All right, there she is. It's a nice bubblegum pink with another iridescent fleck in there. Super pretty. So that's, I don't understand this name. Maybe it's something I'm not getting. It's Marcia. So those are all of the lipsticks. So cute. How cute are they? I put Trampula back on just because I feel like this is a look that's happening right now. I absolutely love this collection. I'm like biased because I just like love Too Faced because it's so cute. It's like so like not my like style, but so my style just because like glitter, I'm like, oh, I want to lick it all. But yeah, I think this palette is absolutely gorgeous. Is it great for like everyday kind of thing? Maybe not. Maybe you should stick to like a nice Naked Basics palette if that's what you want. But like if you're extra like me, this is just like beautiful, and I'm so obsessed. And I'm obsessed with this lipstick. I'm obsessed with it all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I loved doing it for you guys. So make sure you guys subscribe if you have not already, and leave me Halloween requests down in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Excuse me. Oh. What is it? What's that? Is that fun? Is it a toy? What's it? What is it? Boop. Who's my boy? Okay, you gotta go down. You don't want to?